Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue Chapter 1, Food and Health. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about nutrients like vitamin and mineral, and about fiber and water. So let us proceed to know about the function of vitamin and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are needed in very small quantity. They helps our body to stay healthy and fight against diseases. Sources of vitamin and minerals are fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, seafood, etc. So dear student, let us know about the vitamin and minerals. Vitamin and minerals are the nutrients which are needed for our body in very small quantity in compared to the carbohydrate, protein and fats. Vitamin and minerals are needed in very small quantity but very important for our body. So what is the main function of the vitamin and minerals? They help our body to stay healthy and fight against diseases. So dear student, it helps, vitamin and minerals helps our body to stay healthy and fight against diseases. Fight against disease means protect our body from disease, and the sources from which we get vitamin and minerals are like fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, seafoods are sources from which we get vitamins and minerals. So dear student, vitamin and minerals are very important for our body, as it is being required in very small quantity, but it is important for our body to stay healthy, to keep our body healthy and protect from diseases. Next I am going to explain fiber. Fiber or roughage. Fiber or roughage are those part of the fruit and vegetables or food which can't be digested by our body, but it helps to remove undigested food material to remove out of the body easily. So let us know about its function. Fiber helps food and waste. Food and waste. Waste means undigested food. Undigested food to pass easily through digestive system. Sources are fruits, vegetables, whole grain bread, etc. So dear student, what do you mean by the fiber? Fiber are those substances which can't be digested by human body but help to remove undigested food out of the body. So see the function of fiber. Fiber helps food and waste. Waste means undigested food. Undigested food to pass out easily or to remove out easily through the digestive system, dear student. So fiber are very essential, as it is not the nutrient but very essential for the functioning of our digestive system. It helps to remove out waste or undigested food out of the digestive system and make us healthy and to function all the system in the proper way. The sources of the fiber are fruits, vegetable, whole grain bread, cereal are the food material from which we get the fiber. Next I am going to explain you about the function of water. Water helps all the system of our body to function properly. It is a medium through which nutrients are carried to the various parts of our body. It also regulate temperature of the body. So dear students, let us know about the function of the water. Water have all the systems of our body. The system like digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system, and all the system you can say of the body function properly due to the help of the water. It is a medium. Water acts as a medium which help to transport nutrients to the various part of our body. Dear student, without water we can't think of our life. All the system of the body function properly due to the water. 70% of the total body mass is water. By this way you can understand it how water is important for our body. Water regulates all the function of our body. Also, it is important to maintain normal temperature of our body. So dear student, please you read the topic about the vitamin and minerals, about fiber and function of water, and learn it. Okay dear student, thank you to you all.